Hello guys, Ronnie here and welcome to your third PHP tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are going to look at variables. Now if you can recall in school or high school, um, in algebra, for example, we had x equals to 5 and y equals to 6, and you're told z equals to x plus y. So the answer basically is 11. So what, I mean, not this is supposed to be z equals to x plus y. So x, this letters here, these are called variables. And in PHP, variables are very important aspects. They are used as containers. They contain codes of information that are going to be used later on. So for example, one thing that you need to notice about PHP variables is that they usually start with a dollar sign. So if I put a dollar sign and say a equals to 5, now that is that is a variable in PHP. All right, so keep that in mind. And always variable can be can be letters. It can be words like my car, and uh, they should never have spaces in between them, and that's basically the rule. And they can have underscores in between if you like, and that's basically it. So you can say my car equals to um, my favorite car, BMW, and put a semicolon at the end of that, and we say echo my car. So here you won't need the quotation marks because it's a variable. So if we save this and preview in our browser, press F5, we see BMW being printed out into our browser. So there are four types of uh, variables. We have the local variable, the global variable, static variable, and the parameter variable. So we are going to look at the local variable to begin with. So let's say you had a variable here that says my car, and then in here you had a function in between it. So let me just write the code real quick and say function my cars, I guess, and then put that, and then end it here. And now let's save this and see what we have. Alright, I hope it works fine here. Now if I save that and F5, you'll see there's no output on our browser. This is because this variable is now a local variable. My car is a local variable. It's being echoed in the local section. So I'll just say this is a local variable because it's inside a function, and then this one here is a global variable. Alright, so take note of the difference. The local variable is inside a PHP function and can only be accessed by that function alone. So here it's echoing my car, and there's nothing like my car that we had declared earlier. Okay, so this one here is a global variable. It's not, but we don't like this. We got an A there. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at global variable. Okay guys, I've created two variables here, uh, variable A and variable B. Variable A holds a value 5 and the other one 10. So let's go ahead and demonstrate the global variable. So to demonstrate how the global variable works, inside of a function we'll write the keyword global. And as you can see, the keyword global just turns to orange color as the function color. This means global is a function, is a keyword in PHP. Alright, so keep that in mind. So variable, the global is A and the other global is B. You can put a comma there if you have more. And like always, we should put a semicolon there. So we can say C equals to A plus B. Alright, actually let me not put C, let me just put another B right here so they can see something here. Now I'll say echo B. Now I want you to notice something here. I know if you know what I'm doing here, I know you're thinking, wow, there's going to be a problem. I understand. So let's go ahead and save this. All right. So I'll save. Now let's preview it in our browser. We get 10. That is not the answer that we are expecting. A plus B is 15, right? So to do that, we need to reference our function here. We're just going to say my cars. Put that. That's it. And if we save it and you refresh our browser, F5, we get 15. So there you have it. That's your first PHP. That's your third PHP tutorial about variables, global and the local variables. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had a great time and you learned something new here. And if you have any questions, guys, like I said, just ask me any questions. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.